Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District ulapli ya ka program bathamai jo ka sarkar jila ka bayadei berkajing hikai ya ki khna school kenthei ki ba khatlai hadu khat pras nam karta kumnu ban sumar khu ya la ka met ka phat bat ya la ka lor nyeng ha ka ne ka jing lang pli la don lang ka kong ki bi jerwa District School Education Officer ka Margaret Linai na ka project bala kinong hikai na ki school ka ne ka district bat ki riu shampang ki bala ai jingkran ha ka ne ka jing lang.
Because I clearly remember a few months back when Margaret from Mosani, she had visited my office. She told me about all the good work that she has done, but she also informed us about the reusable sanitary napkins that she has distributed to more than 2,000 households, right? 3,000 women so far. So initially, reusable sanitary napkins, my knowledge in this arena, this area is understandably very poor. However, nevertheless, the fact that being in IS, we are exposed to all kinds of situations, all kinds of scenarios.
First of all, I am Ringila from Mosoni Foundation. So today we have just inaugurated the district-wide menstrual hygiene program, which we will be carrying it across the district in all the 142 schools in Ribhoi district. And today's program is we will be training all the teachers, 142 school teachers, and later on these teachers will be carrying forward the messages to the respective schools in all Ribhoi district. And along with it, we will also be distributing eco-friendly and reusable sanitary napkins to the students. The main aim is to educate the girls, adolescent girls, about the menstrual hygiene management. Also, how they can use sustainable product for their menstrual hygiene management.
In addition to what Ringila shared, there are two goals to this project. One is gender empowerment, women empowerment, and also about taking care of the environment. So while we're telling young girls that periods are normal and this is how you should take care of yourself, we're also helping them further take care of their bodies and also the environment around them. We want Meghalaya to be clean and green and a woman-forward state, and this is our ultimate goal with this project.